So ATP is formed. Yay! Now we're back in 4 carbons, right? Which is what we wanted. But we still need some more products. So we're not quite done with it yet. So we're just going to go 4 to 4. So what do you think we'll input? When in doubt, input NAD. Even though we're not taking off a carbon, we can still use NAD to give us what?
NADH.
Perfect. And what else? We'll put one more thing that we haven't used before.
Okay. Oh, I don't know.
FAD. And FAD will form?
FADH.
Yep, perfect. FADH. Now we're back at 4 carbons, which is oxaloacetic acid. We can go up here, form with our other, because now we only have 1 left, right? Form with our other acetyl-CoA to make citric acid. Then we're going to go to 5 carbons by inputting and go all the way around again. So you can put in the circle, times everything by 2 is our rule. Because we're going around twice.
Okay.
Or if we really wanted to, we could draw a whole nother picture and draw this again. The second cycle. Okay, so there's Krebs.
So, okay, so can you explain why we need the 4 again? Is that going into the second cycle?
Going into the next cycle.
And
So now we have another 4, and we need to get rid of both of our acetyl-CoAs. So sorry if you can't see that. So we had 2 of them, right? From our acetyl-CoA formation. We can only use 1 at a time. So this one's kind of waiting in line. Here's the line. This formed with our oxaloacetic acid, went around. Then oxaloacetic comes back. This is gone now, right?
And the next one comes in.
This one comes in, makes citric acid to go around again.
So it needs to have 6 to be able to go through.
Exactly, which is why it's the citric acid cycle.
Okay. Gotcha.
Make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
What are our products?
NADH again.
How many?
1, 2, 3. Well, do you look at it as like one as a whole with going around twice?
You'll always times it by 2 unless they say per cycle. But they just say in Krebs, how many do we get? You times it by 2.
Okay, so then there's 6 NADH. And there is, so you don't lose a CO2 on the last 2 though?
Right. Or, oh no, we did not. So on the first one, we lose 1. On the second one, we lose 1. On the last one, we don't lose 1.
How come?
Just because we're already back to the 4.
Okay.
So you'll let it stay on.
Okay. Okay. And then, so there's 1, 2,
So 1,
CO2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many CO2?
There's 4 CO2.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 CO2s. How many FADH?
1.
1.
Or 2.
There you go. 2. Is that all we get?
ATP.
And how many?
2.
Yep, so 1 times 2 equals 2. So this is your only step where everything's not 2. Here's your little green square, all of your products.
Yeah, I definitely need to just sit and write these down over and over again.
Yeah, just repeat it again and again.
And teach people.
What you should do is go and just find an empty study room and just write these out. Even if the whole time you're looking at your phone, write it out 3 times, looking at your phone or the pictures or whatever. And just do it. Every single day, write it like 2 times.
That's a good idea.
And the whiteboards are easy because you can erase really quick, whereas in your notes, if you're trying to learn it, it's harder.
It's messy and it gets confusing,